Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is August the 4th, 2022. We are going to talk about Dogecoin today and give you all an area on the price chart that is impacting Dogecoin's price movement higher. So welcome, everyone. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I conduct price predictions. I give you all the news according to the charts because that is how we are able to be consistently profitable rather than being on the losing side of these particular trades. So if you guys want to learn more, you guys clicked on a great video because I am here to also show you how you can do this and learn this on your own and make money on your own. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. All right, so let's break down the market in Dogecoin real quick. You guys can see that I haven't done a price prediction on my last video, which was on the 13th of June. And you guys can tell even since the 13th of June, the market in Dogecoin really hasn't done too much. You guys can see it right here. It's just been pretty much trading range bound, right? Cool. That simply tells you that there's opportunity somewhere else and that this market in Dogecoin is not trying to move. That gives us opportunity to plan our next move. You guys can see that the major resistance area that I wanted to talk about is right here. Okay. It's right here. I would say around 7.5 cents is where the market in Dogecoin is being impacted on this movement higher. This is kind of like a lid. This is kind of like a top that is not allowing the buyers to break this price higher. Every time Dogecoin comes up to this particular price, it comes back down every time. So that tells us that the buyers are having problems with taking out the sellers at that level. We should not be looking for the price in Dogecoin to move higher until the buyers successfully break that market outside to the upside of 7 cents. It's just that simple. We got to see that happen in order for us to even consider that Dogecoin is going to continue to move up. And we've had opportunities to see that happen, but every time the price in Dogecoin runs across that 7 cent price, I would say like 7.5 cents, it gets rejected every time. Look at this one on this daily price bar. It got rejected. Look at this 3-day price. I'm sorry, this daily time frame. Look at that one. Look at this daily price bar. It got rejected. Price comes down. It always gets inundated with selling. And if you notice on this daily price bar, the high of this one came in a lot lower than the previous two, which means that the buyers are getting tired, which means that they're running out of money to try to place at this campaign to try to break this price up above 7.5 cents. That's not a good sign. The market here in Dogecoin is literally telling us how the overall market is feeling. Should we be bullish into the market in Dogecoin? From this perspective, no, we should not be. Let me show you all this on the 2-day chart. Okay. So again, we got a little bit more information and we have to digest what the market is telling us and read into it. That's how we can win in the market and understand how the market is going to travail, how it's going to move. Look at this one on a 2-day chart. Again, you're still seeing the instances to where price in Dogecoin is getting rejected. Charts don't lie. Every time the market tries to attempt to move above 7.5 cents, it gets rejected, price comes back down. So as of this particular moment, if anything, the best outlook that we can have in Dogecoin is for the price to maintain that trading range bound, because as of right now, we're not getting a lot of price action. So let's go ahead and look at this on the 3-day chart. You guys can see it right here. So if anything, I would say that the price currently is weak in Dogecoin, and the location that I would be suspecting that buyers could come into the market is right here, where we've already seen price in Dogecoin come and touch, which is what, 6.5 cents, all the way back down at least to 6, right? Given what we have here on this 3-day price bar right here, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market in Dogecoin come all the way down to 6 cents, at least. Now, can we fall below that? Yes, we can, especially if the buyers ran out of money to try to move this market above 7.5 cents. Okay, so let's look at this on the 5-day chart. And even here, I become even more bearish when I see this on the 5-day chart. I'm going to show you why. So right here, start here on this 5-day price bar. Okay, this is first opportunity that the buyers attempted to move the market higher in Dogecoin got rejected. Got it. Market hovered just slightly below 7.5 cents, and then it attempted again to break above 7.5 cents on this 5-day price bar, and it got rejected. Then you come and look at this one. Price got rejected again. Why would you want to be bullish when the market is giving us ample amount of opportunity to show us how weak it is? So we're going to be bearish into the market in Dogecoin. We're going to continue to expect the market to go down in Dogecoin. Now, I've already told you where I think price can find buyers. 6.5 cents, possibly even 6 cents. So even though we're playing the weakness in the market, it doesn't mean that we're looking for a collapse or breakage to the downside or plummet, like nothing like that. But we understand that the direction is leaning more towards price going down than price going up. All right, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart real quick, because my first price target is relatively close to already where the market is. 6.5 cents. That's the first area that I'm going to look for the market in Dogecoin to try to find support. That's only 2%. Like I said, I'm not really seeing a lot of weakness into the market in Dogecoin. I wouldn't be surprised to see the buyers come back in around 6.5 cents. My second one is at 6 cents though. Okay, that's almost 10% movement to the downside in Dogecoin. The reason why I say that is because you guys can see right here how many times the buyers came in and supported price. They did it twice. The 13th of July, even on the 26th. Okay. We know that the restriction area that is impacting the buyers is up here around 7.5. So as long as the market in Dogecoin continues to trade below 7.5 cents, we understand that we're going to continue to trade range bound, or at best, we're going to go down. We're going to continue to go down, or at best, we're going to trade range bound. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend this out a little bit further to the right so we can get the market ample amount of opportunity to continue to trade in Dogecoin. But you guys can see it. This is where I'm at. I'm looking for the price in Dogecoin to dip, give us a little bit of weakness, to trend down. Now, if we see buyers come in at 6.5 cents, like I said, take that 2.25%, be satisfied, and move on to the next play. But from what we've seen on the 5-day, I won't be surprised to see the market fall down to 6. Now, it's your turn. Go ahead and give me your thoughts, your perception as to what you see on the price chart. What is it telling you? Is the market telling you that Dogecoin is bullish? Is it telling you that the market is a buy? Is it telling you that the market is a sell? Give me your thoughts, your price prediction, your price target for Dogecoin. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.